So it turns out that it rains sometimes in Washington. Are you ready for a montage? Because there's about to be a montage.
But one of the overlooked pieces, I finally gave up and put the mirrors back on my WR. I had a crappy little bicycle mirror mounted on the handlebars for legal purposes. It did absolutely nothing. And it's just nice being able to see behind yourself. And when I was riding this more off-road, it mattered a lot less. But now that I've been commuting on it, I still do head checks, but to be able to glance and see if there's somebody right behind you, or especially coming up to stoplights, see if you're about to get rear-ended, is nice. I have some pretty decent wet weather gear on. It's I have pants and jacket from Olympia. The pants are the zip over type, and the jacket is their Dakar jacket, so it's a mesh on the outside with a waterproof liner. The only complaint I have about that is that the mesh on the outside tends to get kind of saturated, so it takes longer to dry, I think, than a jacket that was just waterproof on the outside. These first gear gloves have been working pretty well for me, and I've got some old Icon boots that aren't waterproof. They usually don't bother me unless it's really pouring, but when it's really, really pouring, then it doesn't really, it'll go through just about anything. I'll have the meat lovers burrito, just a burrito. Thanks. It's important not to get run over by trucks with ladders on them. Riding in the rain can be a lot of fun. You'll get enthusiastic waves from just about anybody who's out here with you. Like, oh, you were dumb enough to come out here as well. So I'm going to try and take this keyboard home, and we'll see how that works out. A friend of mine at work said that there was some soda or something spilled on this keyboard. It's a nice Corsair mechanical keyboard, so he said if I can fix it, I can keep it, so hopefully it won't fall out of my motorcycle on the way home. I need to start keeping some bungee cords in my box for situations like this so I can strap stuff onto it. It's got one of those nets. Oh, it's beautiful out. It's been raining off and on all today. There'll be pouring rain, but still sunny, and then the sun comes back out. Oh man, top boxes are nice. I had a little two-stroke 50cc scooter for a while, and it came with a top box, and it was first well, not quite a motorcycle, but motorized two-wheel thing that I had with the top box on it. And it's just really nice to be able to go somewhere, throw your helmet in, and then walk around without having to carry a helmet, or to be able to throw some groceries in the back. So I broke down and put this thing on the back of the WR. Still back there. I need to get some gas. Gorgeous day in Western Washington. It does rain a fair amount here, but we also have our fair share of nice days, and this just makes it feel like it's worth it. Everything's so green and lush. Starting to ride kind of like I don't have a keyboard on the back. It's still there though. Need to oil my chain. Been riding this in the rain the last couple days, and chain on the WR250 just kind of dries out real fast, it seems like. Survived.
I'm Motoman Dan, and thanks for riding with me in the rain today. If you like this video, click like, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be posting one video a week. It'll come out on Mondays. So, come have fun with me here in the Pacific Northwest. We'll be wet sometimes, but we'll have fun anyways. I'm not Do It with Dan. I'm Moto Man Dan, not Do It with Dan, damn it.